Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, if sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Guys, again this is very easy, very straightforward question and it is super easy. So let's see how we are solving this one. We are given that, what we are given? We are given that sin 3a is equal to sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree. Cos a minus 26 degree. This is what is being given. So let me write it down. Sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree. This is given, and I'm taking this one as our equation 1. Okay. Now we know that what we know, you will see. We know that sin theta is equal to, cos 90 degree minus theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta. We very well know these things by this time. We know sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. So I can write sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, or 90 degree minus 3a. Now guys, what I am going to do, I am just going to replace the value of, so you could see that we got sin 3a is equal to cos 90 degree minus 3a. Let us make it as equation 2. Let's see. So what I did, this is the given expression, sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree. This is given, and I considered this one as equation 1. And then we know that sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Then I converted, or I took sin 3a. What we'll get for sin 3a? If sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, then sin 3a is equal to cos 90 degree minus 3a. And I considered that was an equation 2. Now guys, look at equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 are equal because we got some values for sin 3a and again we got some values for sin 3a. Therefore, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Therefore, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Why? Because we got this some values for sin 3a and we got some values for sin 3a. So we can consider that equation 1 is equal to equation 2. If equation 1 is equal to equation 2, then I can write cos a minus 26 degree is equal to cos 90 degree minus 3a. Or you could see that this cos and this cos cancels out. I can write, or a minus 26 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 3a. Or I can write, just this is one equation, just we're solving it. Or I can write a plus 3a, just moving 3a from right to left. A plus 3a is equal to 90 degree plus 26 degree, just moving 26 degree from left to right. Or I can write 4a is equal to 116 degree. Or I can write a is equal to 116 degree upon 4. Or a is equal to 29. Guys, we got a is equal to 29 degree it is. We got the value of a. So what we did, just I tried to find out two equations, and then we could see that two equations are same, and then we are able to find out the value of a. But if you notice that in the question they mentioned something about acute angle. Nothing is being done. We did nothing about the acute angle. Sometimes even if the question is given, but sometimes we do not use those things. Though question is being given for acute angle, what is, after all, what is an acute angle? acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degree. We could, because we got the value of A as 29 degree. 29 degree is less than 90 degree. But we didn't took any help for acute angle. Still we are able to find out the value of A. Guys, hope you understood this calculation or this process. But still, if you have any doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.